Keeptruckin is the maker of fleet management software. It was launched as a startup in San Francisco in 2013 and had an 8-person team. The founders, Shoaib Makani and Ryan Johns, developed software to target a potentially lucrative market to make it easier for drivers to monitor their hours on their phones. This startup has grown to a $2.85 billion valuation in just 9 years. They have certainly come a long way from a staff of 8 in San Francisco to 3,500 workers spread across 8 global offices. Currently, Keeptruckin has more than 120,000 customers with 700,000 vehicles and assets, and more than 1 million drivers using its technology. This base helped them generate a revenue of $154 million in 2022. In 2022, to reflect the diversity, they rebranded their name to Motive. Keeptruckin technology helps the fleets of its customers with mileage tracking, fuel management, accident tracking, vehicle tracking, inspection management, work order management, maintenance tracking, driver management, inventory management, vehicle information, inspection management, dispatch management. These services offered by Keeptruckin motivates the investors to invest in it. Market analysts anticipate that the global fleet management market will increase from $25.5 billion in 2022 to $52.4 billion by 2027. Clearly, new players have a lot of opportunities. If you want to launch your own fleet management company and require a technology partner, there is no need to explore any further. We at Brew Labs offers you a comprehensive tech suite of Keeptruckin clone. This clone has unique features that can increase your fleet management efficiency, and it covers all of the industry-specific features. 1. Live tracking of the fleet. 2. Task notifications for drivers. 3. Easy navigation. 4. Optimized route. 5. Daily earning reports of delivery agents. 6. Advanced analytics. 7. Automated dispatch, and many more. 8. In-app chat. 9. Comprehensive dashboard. 10. Fleet and driver management. Give your business a fresh start with fleet management software. Watch a demo video of pickup and delivery software. For any business-related queries, get in touch with us directly. Click on the link in the description.